Candlestick. Today, let's see how to read candlesticks. There's a bull candlestick. Look at how to read. So, bull candlestick means buyers are in controls. There's an open price in below and close price in above. Okay, there's color is also in green color. So price open with below and go to down, and that's we called lower wick, and also going to high, and so upper shadow, that's we call upper shadow, and price in with close price is above. So open price below, close price high, that's buyers in control. That's the bullish candle. Let's see the bearish candle. That's the open price is above and close price is below. Let's see how it turned, and there's going to how. So open price is open in above and go to high, and there's a small wick and rejection to the down. That's the downsides. There's a below shadow and price close is below low. That's open price is high and below close price is low. That's we call bearish candle. That's mean control in sellers. That's a bullish candle is in green color. That's buyers in control. That's a red color we call bearish candle. That is sellers in control. That's the major two candlestick. We should know read the candlestick perfectly.